we need to talk about is international, right? We've had some good success early on this part of the year, some great things in the pipeline. But Bill, give us a little update about, what's going on with our Canadian Masters and what are some of the new markets that are opening up this year?
We'll start with
worldwide.
Yeah, worldwide. So Canada, let's start with Canada. We got about 7 stores open currently. We got to open within 2 years another 100.
Yeah.
So we are excited. We're moving full force. Walmart Canada is on board. We got a great relationship with them as well, and we're super stoked about it.
Yep.
Yeah, those locations all over the country of Canada, right? And
every different
the provinces,
every province, everything.
Yeah, exactly. As we learn more about Canada, right?
Yep.
And so, yeah, like Bill said, we have a list already of all these locations that Walmart wants us to start opening. So if you got some interest in Canada, if you live in Canada, somebody
you
that's
have
from
family in Canada, we're ready to roll. Yeah.
And again, Walmart Canada is unbelievable.
I mean, you're talking about selling, the certified pre-owned devices we have. Canada too, they have that same market of 10,000, 15,000 people walking by a day.
Yep.
So take advantage of that. I mean, it's huge.
And how good have the partners been?
Yeah.
I mean, they are super engaged. I mean, they are taking the bull by the horns. They are running with it. It's great to see that type of enthusiasm and what they're doing and contributing. And the sky's the limit with these guys.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up because, the one running it over there, Prashant, he's hands-on. He's a great person to deal with, and we're excited to grow with him.